Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another clean with me. So I'm about to get some cleaning done in my living room and my kitchen. So as y'all can see, it's a hot mess, going on right here. So I just wanted to do a little quick preview and show y'all, what it's looking like. So like, look at my table. Like, I got too much going on right here. So I'm about to clean all this up. So yeah, I'm mainly just gonna be, focusing on the living room and the kitchen. So I'm about to hop right into this video, but before I do that, I want to say hey to all my new subscribers. Thank y'all for stopping by and checking out my channel. I want to thank my old subscribers as well for sticking around and supporting me as well. So I'm about to turn on another clean with me video for some like double motivation. So if y'all are into these type of cleaning videos and like to see more videos like this from me, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe if you haven't already. So I'm not gonna do a lot of talking in this video, so I just want to go ahead and get started. So if y'all enjoy, please stick around and subscribe. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I hope y'all enjoy.
I might just ask you to leave now with me. Can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I afraid to you? We almost touch. I feel your body move my way, you're close enough. So I say, can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. Take my eyes on you. Yeah. Can't take my eyes off. 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 Can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I
Alright y'all, so I know I mentioned in my last cleaning video that I wanted to show y'all my new TV stand that I bought from Facebook. So here it is. I'm about to dust it off. It gets real dusty. I'm not gonna keep it long term. I just wanted to get one for now until I get the one that I actually want, because my coffee table was actually holding up my TV for a long time, and I finally got an actual TV stand. So I only paid like $40 for it off of Facebook Marketplace, so I got a good deal on it.
Just give it up. I'm not your girl and I never will be. Don't call me up. Don't waste your
Alright, y'all. So not long ago, I went and bought this George Foreman grill from Walmart, and I also bought me an air fryer from Walmart. So ever since I bought these two, I hardly ever use my stove now unless I really have to. So I just been like loving the convenience of both of these, and especially like with my George Foreman grill, I don't have to worry about like grease splattering on me when I cook burgers. I can just set the burgers on here and close the lid, and it cooks my burgers in less than like 10 minutes, unless depending on how many I have on here. But I just been like loving the convenience of that. And then I cook a lot of my other foods on the air fryer, and it's sitting on the other side of my kitchen. But with the air fryer, it's like been super convenient, and it has like the timer on it, and I can just put my food in there and set the timer and go on about my business or whatever. So I just been like loving it. I wish I could have bought them sooner, but I'm glad I went ahead and got them now. But if y'all haven't bought one, I do highly recommend giving them a try. But I just been like loving both of them.